Alright everybody, welcome to part 2 of our fuel pump series, or our fuel filter series actually. We're working on our 01 Ranger, so this video will apply for all vehicles from 94 to 2010, all engines, because it's the same thing for V6, 4 cylinders, the V8s, as far as I know. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your owner's manual and you're going to find the fuel pump relay, and on this vehicle it's located in 50B. 50B is right back there. Pull your relay and just set it on the fender. Then you want to try to start it and it'll run and die. Once that's done, get your filter. Now a lot of these Rangers, every one that I've done, the filter looks like this. Okay, got a replacement bracket on it. This bracket bolts to the frame underneath the driver door. It's got a flow light on it, so the way it's going to go underneath the vehicle is it's going to go just like this. Okay, I'll show you here in just a second. To get that nut off, it's a 10mm socket. The nut is that one right there. Okay, if you look on the other side, there's your filter. Okay, now the way this filter comes off, you've got two disconnects on the back. These are push. You're going to push in, press the green tab, and pull back out. You're going to do that on both sides on the back. This front one is just like in the Escort video. It's what they call a hairpin. So what you'll do is you'll take your finger, see if I can get you the, yeah, there we go. You'll take your finger and you pull down on it, pull the clip out, and pull that off. There is a trick to this because of where it sits. Your gas tank's right there. So make sure you're under half a tank, and especially on this vehicle, make sure that you open the fuel tank filler cap, because if you don't, you'll regret it. This thing will drain the entire contents of your gas tank right onto the ground if you're not careful. That's why you do that. You relieve the vacuum off of the system. You relieve the pressure off the pump, you need to relieve the vacuum off the system. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll open up our fuel door here. We'll pull our gas cap off and we'll just set it right there on that step. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing loose. Now when you do this, you're going to put your drain pan right underneath there. You're going to take the two back lines off first, because the front line's held on by a clip, so it's okay. You're going to reach up there and you're going to pull it off. One of these lines will have residual pressure on it. Don't be afraid to pull it off. It should come right off. Like I said in the other video, if you haven't seen that one and you want to kind of look it over, you can. Under no circumstances are you to put a screwdriver on those fittings. If you break those fittings, you're replacing the entire line. So I'm going to go ahead and get this done, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we'll see you in a minute.